Hey guys.
Subscribe to our channel to never miss a video on CAT and the other management exams only by Topmytest.
Hi. This is a question on interest calculations. This came in ZAT previously. It says Mr. Mehra is planning for higher education expenses of his two sons aged 15 and 12. He plans to divide 15 lakhs into two equal parts and invest in two different plans such that the sons may have access to rupees 21 lakh each when they reach the age of 20. He is looking for a plan which will give people interest per annum. Rate for plans for his younger and elder should be. So the son is 12 years old. Older son or elder son is 15 years old. Now, 7.5 lakhs has to be split evenly. 15 lakhs has to be split. So that's 7.5 lakhs for them. Right? When both of them reach 21, should have 21 lakhs for both of them. So each of them should earn a rest of 13.5 lakhs. Right? Each of them should earn an of 13.5 lakhs. Right? Now let's see over this. Now if you get one of the right, the options are such that one will automatically be right. So let's calculate for the elder son. For the elder son, he needs 0.5 lakhs in into 21 when they're 20 years. So 6 years, he needs to get an interest of 13.5 lakhs. Right? 13.5 on a base rate of 0.5 lakhs of 6 years. Rate of interest, that's 135 by 35 divided by 59 and 5. This is 3 and 2. So 3 by 20, which is say 3 by 10, which is 30% rate for the elder son, which is 30% rate for his elder. D will be your correct. Option D will be your choice. That finishes this question.